Grateful day mga ka-AutoCAD. Today, let's have learning again our sweep command from our 3D Basic. But before that, we sweep drawing. We can draw first a 2D object. From there, we can go to draw menu and let's get the helix command. That is a coil, for example, and then let's have a top radius in 5, enter, and then on a base radius of the same value, 5, and then let's have a circle on the ending point of our helix. So let's have point 5 and then go to sweep, wherein we can select the object to sweep is the circle, enter, and that alignment is the helix. And then we can use this as our object to sweep. But then there is an unable to sweep, meaning we could select the value to a smaller circle center radius. Another value of a smaller one. So let's scale this point 2. And then let's try sweep. So let's have familiar first our size of the drawing before we go on to a 3D command like sweep. So we have to know that when we turn our helix into that spacing, the radius of the circle bigger than that will not have that to turn. So meaning we should rescale or resize the circle that will go to the alignment using sweep. Another one, let's have the rectangle, and then let's have circle in here, and then let's sweep here, select the object to sweep, and then select the alignment. That will be no unable or object to sweep to that alignment. Another one, let's have the polyline. So when we get the polyline, let's have our radius smaller than the length. Because when we get the length, we can see from our tooltips or the coordinates displayed on our command prompt, let's have a fillet radius of a smaller than the length. So let's have zero point 0.5 for this corner of a radius fillet here. So that radius is already given zero point 0.5. So smaller than this, we could go on 0.2. So let's now sweep so that the object will not be unable again to our command prompt. So let's see. And that will be now our object to convert to sweep command. Let's have another one. If that is a rectangle, to the drawing also, let's have another rectangle. So REC from here and then here, sweep again to convert a 2D object to the alignment which is the rectangle. And that's how we can use the sweep command. What else we can do from here? Aside from these draw commands, we can also get from an arc. So let's have the arc on a 3-point, then select this part to have the arc, and then a rectangle here, and then sweep again, forget this, and then you get that part. For getting all this command, you have to draw the 2D object like when we extrude, we get muna 2D drawing, and then that's all for today. Let's have our blessing today. Thank you, God. Like and subscribe my channel.